As we mentioned in our prior quarterly, the March quarterly, we initiated this process really late March. We've been very delighted with the sort of quality and the number of parties that have come to the party, as it were. The process is still running. It's current. It takes a little bit of time at the front for the various parties to screen the opportunity, particularly the larger companies. They don't wade straight in. They often want to screen it and see how it fits against their portfolio. Typically, then it takes a few weeks to get each party under a non-disclosure agreement before providing them access to the data room. So we've now had quite a number of parties through that data room. We still have companies in there currently. On the back of that, those companies will interpret, analyze the data within the data room. They can take away various products that they generate with it during their sessions, and they can take away screenshots, etc., to support their ongoing work. So we now have, those companies are basically largely gone away and digesting what they've seen in the data room and incorporating their own understanding of the regional geology to form an opinion on technical merits of the block. In the meantime, we do have an opportunity to engage with all of the parties, particularly with the QI work, which has recently been completed. And we're still actually screening that. So we are kind of circling back and having various meetings with all the interested parties to bring them up to speed with that work. I think it's fair to say that the QI piece is something which pretty much all the parties will be very focused on. So that's good. It gives us an opportunity to keep up that engagement. And we've been very, very happy with the high level of engagement which we've seen from the various parties. Beyond that, it's not really appropriate to sort of talk about where we're at in the process and timing. We would like to finalize an arrangement with a bona fide and suitable operator as soon as we possibly can, but we have to recognize that revealing sort of our data to a company for the first time, and we've had this data for 16, 17 months, it's a lot to troll through. So it does take time for companies to complete their due diligence, but it's certainly a process that's very much alive. It's keeping us all very busy. Meetings at all hours of the day, given the various geographies we're dealing with. We hope to be able to conclude some form of arrangement as soon as possible.